Happy Monday, everybody. Today it's Myth Busting Monday here at the Primal Professor. And today's topic as a coach is something that I hear all the time that is a stumbling block for some of my clients. The topic is, I don't count macros. Do I really need to? Welcome back to the Daily Spoonful, where myths melt and clarity begins. I'm the Primal Professor, and today we're tackling one of the most common keto misconceptions. I don't track macros, I just eat keto food. Does that sound familiar to you? Here's the thing, you can lose weight eating low carb, but if you want to stay in ketosis, really boost energy, and preserve muscle, or troubleshoot a plateau, your macros matter. It's not about being perfect, it's about being strategic. Too much protein, you might stall. Too little fat, you might be tired or hungry. Hidden carbs, they sneak in fast. Tracking macros isn't forever. It's a tool to teach your body what real fuel balance feels like. Here's today's nugget. If you don't measure, you're just guessing, and your metabolism deserves more than guesswork. One client came to me after stalling for 4 months. She was doing keto but didn't track. Turns out she was eating 90 grams of protein, not too bad, 25 net grams of carbs, and barely 60 grams of fat. That's not a ketogenic diet. That's just a low energy diet. Once she adjusted her macros to fit her goals, the weight dropped, her brain fog lifted, and she said, I finally feel like I'm in fat burning mode. So here's the strategy. Want to make it easier? Download a Mac Tracker app, enter your stats, and use it as a guide, not a prison. Even tracking a week or two can help you learn more about your body than months of just winging it. If this hits home, I break down macros step by step in my full video, Keto Macros Explained. I'll see you tomorrow for the next Daily Spoonful.